don't like the background noise. And I know that my chest are not appearing, but the amount of nasty food I had to eat to be generic for the past 25 years. When a man came here from a long distance away, there flew and put some chemical on his airplane. And then he flew to England to London, dun, 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 dun. And then he realized that the only spoons, forks, and cutlery were from home. Fly Austria. Fly Austria. But the man didn't care because he didn't know. He had no idea what is gonna sign his life up into. Okay, when Pink Floyd failed the same chord, it sounded differently. But this man had to use the two pink chord from someone's urinal and toilet like me. Jimmy, you could have come with very song. Everybody he said he's good and it's satisfied. But Jimmy, I'm asking you, you could have done this. Being out of tune and playing satisfied. I want a job. Szőrényi levelte, beszeretnék ugrani egy beszédbe. Tudom, hogy jobban nézel ki minden, te mégis csak a 80-asodban. De mindegy, most én beszélek, és te csak hallgatsz, s nem tudod retörlülni a gondolatodat. Szélény Levente, van éve a kurárosban, azt mondták, hogy nem szökönögér volt, már rendben a tévalén. Name was it you? Name was it you? And the poster from Seven Sister, did you go? We never want to find a sister in there. Oh, I want to talk more. I want to talk about that. when I open up my bowels.